My favourite dishes aren't always the ones I ate regularly as a child. Today I'll be showing you a noodle soup that started in Dad's childhood and continued into mine.
Mama ye sik fan, Mami daddy sik fan. Ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today is about how some of the most memorable dishes come from your family's childhood. To start, give the fish a wash by lightly scraping off any excess scales. Any large meaty fish will work well. If you ask your fishmonger, they can cut and scrape for you. Lightly coat each piece in potato starch and let them rest in a colander. Meanwhile, heat up enough oil in a pot to fry the fish. Turn the heat to medium and fry them until golden. Then use a peeler to peel the skin off half a kilo of taro and cut them into chunks or thick slices, then fry the pieces in oil over a medium heat until golden. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkinkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Fill up a new large pot with 3 litres of water and bring it to a boil while you work on the other ingredients. To prepare the pickled mustard greens, wash 1 or 2 bags depending on your taste preference. Then separate each stem at the base and cut them into smaller pieces. Now heat up a pot on high heat and pour 3 tablespoons of oil in. We use the same pot from the taro and fish. Pour the pickled mustard greens in and stir fry everything for 3 minutes. Then transfer it into the pot of water. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into the same pot you used to fry the pickled mustard greens and add 8 spring onion heads, along with 5 slices of ginger. Stir for 30 seconds, then pour in the fried fish and gently toss them in for another 30 seconds. Now pour everything into the large pot of water. Season it with 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. Add the taro in along with 300 grams of fried tofu. We cut them in half to make it easier to eat. Let it simmer over a low-medium heat for 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes, skim the scum. When Dad cooked his childhood recipe later in his adult life, it was a hidden gem that became a dish I love today. Now bring a new pot of water to a boil. Add 1 packet of noodles, which we call bung in Vietnamese, and stir it until all the noodles are submerged. Cook them for 10 minutes or until al dente. When cooked, pour the noodles into a colander and run them under cold water until cool to touch. Put new cold water into the pot where the bung cooked in and pour the noodles in. Grab a small handful between your thumb and index finger, then use your other hand to wrap the strands around your index finger. Rest the roll in the palm of your hand and place it in a colander. These noodle balls will make it easier to grab when serving. And there you have it, Dad's Chinese fish soup. A dish that he remembered from his younger days and brought into my childhood. To serve this noodle soup, put the rice noodles into a bowl and spoon ladles of the soup over it, then top everything with chopped spring onions. For a recipe with flavours you won't forget, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Let the taro simmer for longer. This turns the soup creamy and rich. Number 2. Use a flat wooden spatula for the fish. You don't want to break it as it stir fries. Number 3. Add the fish in before serving. This will prevent it from falling apart from being overcooked. Sometimes the best dishes in life are the rare ones you have only once or twice, but they resonate with you so much that you end up craving it over and over again. That's what Dad's Chinese fish soup is for me. He passed his childhood recipe on to me, and now I satisfy my cravings by cooking and sharing the recipe with you. For more hidden gems that you'll love, like and subscribe to our channel for more. If noodle soups are what you love, I've created a playlist of my favourite ones just for you. See you in the next video.